Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Galaxy A73 5G. So we start from the Google Chrome. In that case, just click here on this arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. You can see it's all. The next one is Microsft Edge. Just tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. The next one is Firefox. In the Firefox, in this window, just click on this zero mask and that's it. But if you have any tab open it, just click on the taskbar icon, tap on the zero mask and add a tab. And the last one in the Opera, like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And you can see your secrets are safe and the cache files and history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.